Welcome to Odoo Vizion, your ultimate learning destination for mastering the Odoo ERP system. In this video, we'll guide you through the Odoo CRM module, helping you manage your leads, track opportunities, and close deals efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a business owner, this guide will help you get started with confidence. Let's dive in once you've logged into your Odoo account. Upon logging into your Odoo account, you'll land on the main app's dashboard. From here, click on the CRM icon to open the Customer Relationship Management module. The first screen you'll encounter is the pipeline view. Each column represents a stage in your sales cycle: new, qualify, proposition, and so on. Each card represents a potential opportunity. You can drag and drop these cards between stages as they progress, providing a real-time view of your entire sales funnel. To add a new opportunity, click the New button on the top left. Enter the contact details, email address, mobile number, expected revenue, and then click on Add. Once done, your opportunity will appear in the pipeline. For detailed information about any lead, simply click on its card. Here you'll find all the key details like customer information, salesperson, expected revenue, and contact details. You can also manage transactions, send messages, or update the stage directly from this page. Now, let's schedule a follow-up. Click on the icon, then click on Schedule an Activity. You can choose to schedule an email or a call, then click on Schedule. You'll see a new icon indicating that an activity has been scheduled. As your deal progresses, simply drag the cart to the next stage. This deal has progressed, and we can move it from the qualified stage to the proposition stage. So, let's move this specific deal from qualified to proposition. When a deal is closed, it can be dragged to the closed stage. If a deal is lost, open that specific lead and mark the lead as lost. Provide the final reason and then return to the pipeline. Odoo will track this for performance analysis. Odoo CRM makes it easy to find specific leads. Use the filter option at the top to group the leads either by salesperson or group leads by sales team. We can also group leads based on the stage assigned, city, country, last reason, or any other property of choice. We can also filter the leads based on custom filters that are required. For example, let's say we want the leads only from those we created today. Or perhaps we want the leads that were created from the 27th of September to the 23rd of October. After clicking on Add, we can see all the filtered leads that were created from the 27th of September to the 23rd of October. We can also look up opportunities by their name. Let's say we type Kirti here as an example. We'll find the lead with the name Kirti. Now, let's look at how to analyze performance. Click on the Reporting tab on the top menu and then click on Forecast. Here we can see the forecast of all our leads that have the potential to be converted, based on the closing month. Click on Pipeline now. Here you can see all the opportunities created in 2025 and track their performance at various stages. This can be viewed graphically using different charts. For instance, you can view it as a pie chart or as a bar graph. You can also switch to a pivot view or a list view. These views allow you to switch between graphs, pivot tables, and lists. You can also apply filters to track performances across teams. For example, if you want to apply a salesperson filter, it can be done with ease. Once applied, you can see the graphical view, pivot view, and list view. Go back to the CRM. You can also customize your sales stages to match your business process. To do this, click and drag to the left. Then, click on the plus icon of the stage. Suppose you want to create a new stage named Negotiation. This stage can be created and placed after Proposition. If you wish to edit the name of any stage, click on the Settings icon and select Edit. This allows for customization of stage names based on business needs. Changing one to Leads. Odoo CRM integrates smoothly with other modules like sales, accounting, email marketing, SMS marketing, and more. This means you can manage your entire sales journey in one place. You've now learned how to manage leads, track opportunities, schedule follow-ups, and analyze reports all within one platform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Odoo Vizion for more ERP tutorials and business automation insights. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.